Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. There's something you can never have enough of in your home, and that is paper towels. So they just come in handy and you never want to run out of them. And I really like these Brawny paper towels for a few reasons. First of all, these are very strong paper towels. They do a great job at cleaning up messes or using them as a napkin, whatever you need, and I like to stock up on them. So I got this 6-pack of these double rolls. So it's basically like getting 12 rolls because look how thick they are. They are super absorbent. And another nice thing is that these are a select a size roll. So not only can you choose this like half sheet, but you can also tear these in half and you have just a little square, little napkin. You can put a sandwich on it, put your snacks on it, or just wipe up a small mess and you're not wasting a whole paper towel. So I really, really love that. I love that these work super well. They are very durable and they are not a kind of paper towel that just like disintegrates really easily. It can definitely hold up to regular kitchen messes. And I also just love to use these as a little napkin. So I love that they're very durable, they're very absorbent, and I also like that you have these different size options from the same roll. So I would definitely recommend these, and that's my point of view.